If you enjoy Punjabi Kadhi but want to skip the pakodas, whether for health, fewer steps, or simply because you're out of onions, this Makhana curry is the way forward. It's something I turn to on days when we're out of ideas and craving a meal that's easy, quick, and light. All you need is a bowl of thick curd. Add about 5 tablespoons of besan and whisk it into a smooth paste. Gradually add water, whisking it until lump free. Set this aside. Now toast a handful of makhana in a little ghee until crisp. They soak up the gravy and turn into soft, pillowy bites. In the same karai, add a bit more ghee. Add cloves, cinnamon, a pinch of Asafetida and cumin seeds. Let them sizzle, then add curry leaves and a sliced green chili. Pour in the prepared curd besan mixture and add salt to taste. Add a pinch of turmeric. Cook on low heat, stirring gently. For a touch of balance, add a pinch of jaggery. Once it begins to thicken, add the toasted makhana and switch off the heat. And that's it. On the side, I made a simple salad-style Baingan Bharta. Roast the brinjal until charred, peel off the skin and mash it up. Mix it with freshly chopped tomatoes, onions, a green chili, coriander and some toasted garlic. Add salt and finish with a drizzle of mustard oil. Makhana curry with this Baingan Bharta, it was summer on a plate. If you enjoyed this recipe, do subscribe for more. Until the next recipe, take care and ta-ta.